adjustments. As you can see on the screen, the premium starter feed formulation includes 10.77% protein, a 2.06%.
This first flock health assessment is crucial. We systematically examine the chicks for key indicators like gait, feathering, and respiratory rate.
We weigh a representative sample daily to ensure our organic chicks are meeting the standard growth curve.
The Precision Natural Ventilation Control System actively manages fresh air circulation throughout the house using computer-controlled inlets. From day-old chicks to 3-week-old certified organic chickens, we meticulously manage
At factory process, our certified organic chickens range freely across the pasture, ensuring genuine welfare excellence.
This rotation maintains the organic quality and prevents compaction here.
Okay, let's initiate the move to the east pasture as scheduled.
Analysis confirms the premium organic nutrition behind the distinctive flavor of our chicken, utilizing certified organic corn and soybeans.
Feather coverage is good, minimal stress marks. Respiratory auscultation is clear. Overall flock health remains strong at day 42.
As evening approaches, the flock naturally roosts on the multi-level perches. This behavior is unique.
scanner confirms the weights are within range.
This group here meets all organic compliance standards.
Noted. We can authorize this section for harvest.
Low-stress techniques to ensure the welfare of the chickens during the catching process.
We're seeing marked differences in the muscle fiber quality here.
That aligns with the flavor compound analysis from the slow-growing breeds.
The depth of flavor in the organic sample is significantly higher.
The analytical data confirms these sensory findings across the board.
As this data clearly illustrates, the certified organic free-range chicken contains a significantly higher concentration of natural flavor compounds. At Factory Process, we believe in transparency. That's why our organic chickens are free to explore lush green fields every day.
This is the reality of the conventional poultry industry. Birds are moved quickly through the processing line, often packed tightly together.
For the world's finest professionals, only certified organic chicken will suffice. The difference in quality is palpable.
Look here, this section on enrichment needs verification before final approval.
Agreed. Let me just confirm the documentation matches the flock's condition.
Our certification package includes USDA organic certification, comprehensive animal welfare verification,
These graphs illustrate the stark difference in carbon footprint. Conventional methods produce nearly double the emissions compared to certified organic processes.
And this is why we are a certified organic farm and the chickens are free to roam. Does anyone have a question about what they eat out here?
Analyzing the complete organic chicken value chain, we track the economic flow from our growing farms all the way to the premium retail sector. From the lab to the Michelin star kitchen, our commitment to quality drives market growth and verified sustainability.
The first light of dawn signals the start of a new day and the beginning.
From the fertile egg to the developing embryo at day 10, culminating in the free-range organic chicken.
I saw their video on the Factory Process channel.
It's great to see this in person now.
We guarantee the highest quality from our pasture to your table by ensuring every chicken is raised free-range and certified organic.
This one is slightly underweight. Make a note on the sheet. Overall quality is still high.
Maintaining precise environmental control in the pre-incubation room is critical for maximizing embryo viability, as shown here on the management screen. Here in the recording center, we ensure complete traceability. Data like farm identification and quality assessment results are logged for every delivery.
Thousands of organic eggs are systematically loaded into the incubation center, which houses over 100,000 embryos.
Watch the gap. Okay, push it in.
While the overall early mortality rate is low, we need to investigate the spike seen in the organone farm source data here.
Temperature deviation in Bank 4. Emergency protocol initiated.
Acknowledged. Engaging cooling sequence now. Reading stabilizing.
Welcome to the factory process. We monitor every stage of the 18-day incubation.
This is the crucial moment. Day 20. The embryos begin to break through the shells, initiating the hatching cascade.
Navel quality is excellent on this batch.
Yep. Good pigmentation and strong legs on these.
This expert assessment of hatch quality is fundamental to world-class organic chicken production.
Utilizing the management system, we categorize the non-hatch causes. This data drives continuous improvement in organic breeding farm performance.
This data screen highlights the extraordinary operational achievement of this facility, producing hundreds of thousands of organic chicks daily.
The specialized fogging treatment reaches every surface of the hatcher unit, providing complete disinfection.
The fertility rate by farm source shows a significant dip this week.
Yes, and the chick quality score seems correlated.
We need to analyze.
The factory process utilizes advanced in ovo sexing equipment.
Worst. First, we assess overall vitality and down condition. Then we check eye brightness and leg strength, ensuring the